Hi, I'm Jay.
I'm Val.
And today we're in Fenton, Missouri. And we're at Wally's, the Great American Road Trip convenience store. We've seen a lot of YouTubers go to a place called Buc-ee's. And that is a convenience store based out of Texas. Well, we don't have a Buc-ee's in Missouri, especially here in St. Louis. So we have Wally's. It was founded by two cousins, Michael Rubenstein and Chad Wallace. At the time, they were living in rural Missouri along the Route 66 corridor there. And on their way home from a ski trip in Colorado, they came up with an idea to make a convenience store that would be a little more entertaining and break up that long and boring road. So, what are you looking forward to today, Val?
They have all kinds of things from what I've heard. They've got a bakery in here. They've got a pizzeria in here. All kinds of beef jerky. They have a popcorn station, an ice cream station, and a sandwich station. And from what I hear, their sandwiches are really, really good.
Alrighty, well, come along with us as we Jay and Val around Wally's.
Hey, Jay.
Yeah?
It's Wally and Friends.
Who's Wally and Friends?
He's the mascot.
Oh yeah. He's a bear. And he's got his squirrel and fox. And who else does he have?
He's got a raccoon, and I'm not quite sure. I guess that other one's a chipmunk.
Yeah, that's probably a chipmunk. Wow. Look at this. Look at this cast of characters. Okay, so right now we're at the canteen. And check this out. This is a full assortment of all fresh jerky. What can I do for you? Okay, so in this section here, this is the jerky section. And just like the canteen, which you can get fresh jerky, if you're in a hurry, you can get the prepackaged jerky. It's all the same flavors.
So hey Jay, we're in the barbecue section.
Okay. This is Wally's Barbecue Sandwich House.
They have a sliced brisket, they had a chopped brisket, they have a pulled pork, and my understanding are the sandwiches are amazing.
Yeah, they also have an Italian beef.
Yes.
Which is also supposed to be phenomenal. Okay, so we're at the bakery, And in this section here, they have pizza. Cheese, pepperoni. This one here looks like it's all vegetables. Okay, also in the bakery, they have a bunch of desserts, from fruit pies or fruit bites to look at how chocolatey those double chocolate chip muffins are. Who doesn't love a cinnamon roll? And an assortment of cookies.
I think those Snicker cookies need to come home with us. So hey Jay, here's Wally's Cafe. They got coffee, ice cream, and floats.
Valerie, what the heck is a sloosh?
It's an icy, of course.
It's a what?
It's a yummy icy.
It's a yummy icy?
Mm-hmm.
Hey Valerie, who would park their Winnebago in the middle of the store?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh, hey Jay, look. It's Wally. Hey Jay,
Yeah.
I found the real Wally and his friends.
Oh, you did, huh?
I did.
Well, let's check this out.
Looks like they're having a good old time.
Wow. So that is Wally. I guess he's a black bear, right? And he's got his koozie and his drink.
We got the raccoon. He's playing his guitar by the campfire. The squirrel who's had one too many.
Yeah, he definitely looks like he's pretty popped. And then check out this fox. He's got his sunglasses on,
Drinking his dew.
chilling out, being foxy.
And you got the little chipmunk down here hiding in the corner, eating on his nuts. So look, they've got games to keep the kiddos busy on the road.
Ah, what kind of games?
Little travel games, like Travel Sea Battle. snakes and ladders. They've got Rubik's Cubes. Little things just to keep them busy in the car. What a great idea. And then they've got games you can play on the go. 50 games you can play anywhere. And I think we need this. It's called Takeaway Dice. Never argue about getting takeout again.
Yeah, that might be something that we need to get. So on this wall right here, Wally's has a bunch of t-shirts with all different types of sayings on them. And up here, these are the different sayings for each one of the t-shirts. I think these are pretty cool. Hallelujah. That's a good one too, a real classic. Wally's, home of the great American road trip. I'm gonna say this is my favorite right here. Somebody went to Wally's and all I got was this lousy t-shirt. I think this is all wrong. The Missouri state bird is not a mosquito. That's the Florida state bird. And they also have an assortment of trucker hats too. All different styles and colors. They all say Wally's on them. And of course, when you go on the road, you want to keep your drinks cold. So this section here is a bunch of Wally's versions of koozies. That's pretty funny right there. I'm not drunk, I'm from Missouri. Alrighty. Wally's, the great American road trip convenience store, is over. So Val, what were your favorite parts?
Oh my goodness, they had so much to choose from. Not only do they have all the food and drinks to choose from, but they have like a whole bunch of like home goods, stuff for your pets, games, camping stuff, fishing stuff. It's amazing in there. So if you haven't stopped by, you've really got to come to check this out.
Yeah, this is in a good spot too. Like, it's just about 20 miles outside of the city limits of St. Louis. So it's a good stopping place, you know, as you're coming through. And also, just found out, as we're recording this is March of 2023. This is their 1-year anniversary. They opened near the beginning of March. So that's kind of cool too. My favorites is, it's a convenience store. You have everything that you need. If you forget something, they've got it. And also too, the food, the drinks, the beef jerky.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, pounds and pounds of beef jerky. More than I've ever seen. So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And we just want to thank you for watching our video and hanging out with us today. And we want to thank you for Jay and valing around with us.